Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to change your WordPress logo size quickly and efficiently. Begin by visiting the WordPress website. When you arrive at the home page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on this login button will lead you to the sign-in page, preparing you for the next step in the process. On the login page, you are presented with an option to sign in using your Google account. Selecting the Continue with Google button will simplify your authentication process, as this method leverages your existing Google credentials instead of requiring a separate username and password for WordPress. In the following prompt, you will be asked to choose the desired Google account from those you have already signed into. This step not only speeds up the process but also increases your security by using a trusted sign-in method. Once you have successfully logged in, your focus shifts to updating the logo size on your WordPress site. To begin modifying your logo, navigate to your media library. Accessing your media library is straightforward if you know its location in the WordPress dashboard. A direct link from heckmedia.wordpress.com will take you to this area, where all media files uploaded to your site are stored. The media library is an essential part of your site management, as it allows you to update images and other media with ease. Within your media library, locate your logo by scrolling through the displayed media items and clicking on the image that represents your current logo. By selecting the logo, you open the image details where various editing options are presented. Look for the option labeled Edit Image. This function is specifically designed to modify aspects of the image without the need for external software, giving you control directly from your WordPress dashboard. After clicking on Edit Image, the next phase in the process involves finding the Scale option. The Scale tool is integral to the procedure because it enables you to change the image dimensions to meet your design requirements. Once you have located the Scale option, click on it to open the adjustment fields. In the fields provided, type in the new dimensions that you desire for your logo. It is important to ensure that the new width and height match your website's design guidelines so that your site maintains a professional appearance. After you have entered the new dimensions, confirm the changes by clicking on the Scale button once more. This action saves your settings and immediately applies the updated size to your logo. Your WordPress site will now display the logo in its newly scaled dimensions, seamlessly enhancing the overall visual appeal of your site. By following these clear instructions, you have now successfully updated your WordPress logo size. Using Google to log in offers both convenience and security, while the straightforward navigation within the media library makes modifications simple. This guide provides the necessary steps to ensure your site's logo is perfectly sized to fit your design vision. Enjoy the streamlined update process and the improved look of your WordPress site.